Hi guys, today we will talk about how to choose categories on your eBay app. We will go to figure out this solution or know how you can do that on your eBay app. All you have to do, just go up here. You will click here on this sign here in app, then it's going to show for you window like this, and you just go down here, then you click here on categories here, then it's going to take you here in this window, and here you can choose your categories like art. We will click here for example, then you click here on art drawings, and it's going to take you to next window here. So in here you will find all categories or your categories you want to buy here in this window. That's all you have to do to find your categories. I wish you I gave it. That's all. So just follow these ways and it's going to work with you. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.